Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Altima engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel economy. You will need a new engine air filter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a 10mm socket. Having these items ready will make the process quick and easy, typically taking less than 15 minutes to complete. First, open your vehicle's hood and secure it properly. Next, locate the engine air filter housing, which is usually a black plastic box situated on one side of the engine compartment. This housing protects your air filter. Depending on your specific Altima model, you will find either several metal clips or a few screws, often 2 to 3, holding the top cover of the airbox in place. Carefully unfasten these to prepare for opening the housing. Once the airbox fasteners are released, gently lift the top cover. You should now see the old engine air filter inside. Carefully pull out the old filter. It should slide out without much force. Take a moment to inspect the airbox interior for any accumulated dirt, leaves, or other debris, and clean it out if necessary. Then, take your new air filter and slide it into the housing, making sure it is seated perfectly flat and oriented correctly. After the new filter is properly in place, carefully lower the airbox cover and resecure all the clips or screws you removed earlier. Ensure the housing is tightly sealed to prevent unfiltered air from entering the engine. A fresh engine air filter allows your engine to breathe better, which can lead to increased fuel efficiency, improved acceleration, and reduced emissions. This simple task helps protect your engine and extends its overall lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.